Hello everyone, it's Jack from Visual Effects Hut. So here today to show you how to use the dynamics in Cinema 4D. So we will go to create a plane as a base and scale that up quite a bit, and then we will add a simulation tag, collider body, and then we will create a ball. Scale that down a little bit. And then we'll go to simulation tags and rigid body. So the rigid body will allow it to just bounce like a hard object, like a ball, and a soft body will be more squidgy, so like jelly fruits or something soft and organic. So if we just play that now, we see it bounce on the floor. So that's pretty much the basics of the dynamics. You can adjust the properties and make the ball more bouncy by changing values down here. And reducing the friction a bit. So a quick tip to see how you can get a lot of balls for like MoGraph animations would be set that back to the beginning, and then we will go to the cloner. So we get the sphere, plonk it in here, pull this up, and then we can just create lots. And you can have cloners within cloners as well. Kinda don't want them to touch. And then all you do is you just hit up here, to make it editable, and it'll put a tag on all them balls for you, so you don't have to do them all individually. So then when you play the animation now, we get lots of bouncing balls. So yeah, our tutorials are just here to help create new skills and help you develop your skills for more projects. So hopefully you found this useful, and I'll catch you on the next one.